morning, students. We're going to be scientists. May I have the 4 students to the back table, please? And make sure that you sit with the iPad. Now, we're going to use 2 measurement examples, a pencil and a marker. Which do you think is longer? That's right, Johnny. The pencil is longer than the marker. Which one is shorter? That's right, Dylan. The marker is shorter than the pencil. Remember, scientists use measurements to collect data and make conclusions and find their evidence. Now, students, you're going to look on the iPads and you're going to go to PBS. And make sure that you pull up the right measurement game. Now that it's on the screen, which object do you think is longer? Which object do you think is shorter? How do you know? Very well done, Miss Susie. Now you will become the scientist. Here are 4 objects. You have an eraser, a binder clip, a paper clip, and scissors. Now you're going to measure these using the blocks. But as an example, if I take the eraser next to the block, I use the measurement, it is 1 block long. Now it's your turn. You're going to measure the eraser, the binder clip, the paper clip, and the scissors. Give it a shot. Circle the longest object on your paper. Now circle the shortest on your paper. Very well. Good, Miss Susie and Johnny. You guys both got that right. Now compare your measurements with your classmates right next to you. Which object was the longest? Good job, Susie. Which object was the shortest? Very well. Good, Dylan. Did any objects measure the same? What patterns do you notice? Remember, scientists always observe, measure, collect data, compare results, and use evidence to explain their findings. How did your measurements help you decide which object was the longest or shortest? What patterns did you notice when you compared the measurements with another object? What did your measurements tell you about the objects that you investigated? Great job, everyone. You guys were amazing scientists today.